Hello. In this video, I'll be going over an image manipulation technique called convolutional filtering. This technique is used in the pre-processing of images that are used to train AI models, such as the convolutional neural network. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Laplacian filter, and the development environment I'll be using is going to be the Google Colab Jupyter Notebook. The Python libraries include the open source computer vision library CV2 as well as the Matplotlib library. Let's install Python packages that we need. Let's import the libraries. Let's import our image. I'm going to use the image read function. This is the directory where my image is located. The image name is phone. I would like to view the image as grayscale. So this is one way to import the image, but because I'm using Jupyter Notebook on Google Colab, this will not gonna work. So I'm going to use another method to import the image, the Google Colab upload function. So I'm gonna say upload image. I'm gonna use the files.upload function. So now we're going to define the image path. I'm going to repeat to apply the grayscale on the image. Okay, so now let's view the image. Apply color map as gray. I'm gonna put the title as original image. I'm gonna put the axis off. And want to display the image. So this is just how the image is by viewing it in a grayscale. So the next thing we're going to do is to apply the Laplacian filter on the image. I want the image to appear as 64 floaters. 64-byte floaters. Okay, that's how the image appears here. So let's try and view the image that we applied the Laplacian filter on. So we can actually copy this one from here and then put it here, and we can just change the title name to Laplacian filtered image. Okay, so here actually we need to change this one, the image, to this one here. Okay, so this is how the Laplacian filtered image looks like. Another thing we can do before we apply the Laplacian filter is to apply the Gaussian blur. So we can say gblur. We can apply the Gaussian blur on the original image. And then we can now apply the Laplacian filter on the Gaussian blurred image. So we're gonna do the same thing we did before. Dot Laplacian. I'm gonna apply it on the gblurred image. I'm gonna say cv2 dot cv 64-bit floaters. And then we can now view the image again. So we're gonna view the Laplacian plot. This one, I'm going to apply grayscale color map. So a gray color map, let's see. And then I'm going to change the title. You can say Laplacian after blur. The axis, it's gonna be off. Then we can show the image. So this is what the image looks like. You can see that the edges are more defined when we apply Gaussian blur before applying Laplacian filter. So let me know what you think about this technique, and I'll see you in the next video.